Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, then launch settings. This saves time and prevents errors. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is updated, and sign into your Microsoft account so Game Bar syncs overlays and captures. Next, verify your PC meets basic requirements, about 1 GB RAM and a DirectX 12-capable GPU, because the feature needs system support. Once done, open Start, type Xbox Game Bar, and press Enter to jump into the first configuration screen immediately. You now enable and configure Game Bar so it behaves how you want. Open Settings, go to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar, and flip it on. This allows Win+G to summon the overlay. Next, assign or confirm keyboard shortcuts for captures, recordings, and the mic so you can act fast in-game. Then, dive into widgets. Set audio mixes, enable overlay panels, and adjust background recording length. Make sure to test a quick clip so you know the controls and latency. Finish by testing Game Bar in an actual game. Press Win+G, use Capture or Start Recording, and confirm the clip saves to videos/captures. If the overlay doesn't appear, open the Microsoft Store and ensure the Xbox Game Bar app is installed and updated, because system toggles and app updates both matter. As a troubleshooting tip, reset the app via Settings Right Arrow Apps, or update your GPU drivers. This resolves most recognition or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.